Prove that tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta equal to 1 plus sec theta multiplied by cosec theta. LHS is tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta. We know that tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. Cot theta is 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta plus what is value of cot? Cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. What is tan? Tan is sin upon cos. This is equal to sin theta upon cos theta divided by, take LCM, sin theta into 1 sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta. Main division is this plus cos theta divided by sin theta. Main division is this, take LCM, cos theta into 1 cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay, this sin theta will go into numerator. So sin theta multiplied by sin theta is sin square theta divided by cos will come into denominator. So cos theta multiplied by sin theta minus cos theta. Here cos theta will go into numerator. So we have cos square theta divided by sin theta. We will take minus 1 common from this. So we have minus 1 into sin theta minus cos theta. Now we have LHS equal to sin square theta divided by sin square theta divided by cos theta multiplied by sin theta minus cos theta plus into minus 1 minus cos square theta divided by sin theta multiplied by sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. Take sin theta minus cos theta common. So 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta is common. In the bracket we have sin square theta upon cos theta, sin square theta upon cos theta minus cos square theta upon sin theta. Now we will take LCM, sin into sin square theta, sin cube theta minus cos theta into cos square theta, cos cube theta divided by cos into sin, cos theta into sin theta. We will expand this by using identity a cube minus b cube. So what is a cube minus b cube? A cube minus b cube is a minus b multiplied by a square plus b square plus ab. So we will expand x sin cube theta minus cos cube theta by using identity a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b multiplied by a square plus b square plus ab. So now we have LHS equal to 1 into this, so sin cube theta minus cos cube theta, sin theta minus cos theta. Sin cube theta minus cos cube theta, sin theta minus cos theta, a minus b, a square means sin square theta, b square means cos square theta plus ab sin theta multiplied by cos theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta multiplied by cos theta multiplied by sin theta. Sin theta minus cos theta will cancel. We have identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So this is equal to 1 plus sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta sin theta. We will split this 1 upon cos theta sin theta plus sin theta cos theta upon cos theta sin theta. 1 upon cos is sec theta, 1 upon sin is cos sec theta. Sin will cancel sin, cos will cancel cos. So this is 1. So this is equal to 1 plus sec theta cos sec theta equal to RHS equal to RHS. So we have used identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 here. So this is proof of our question. Students, if you like my teaching, please subscribe my channel and write comments also. Thank you.